Welcome to Creating Your Perfect Life, a meditation designed to help you cultivate focus and shift your perspective towards positivity and alignment with your desires. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down, wherever you feel most at ease. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in. Allowing your body to relax with each exhale. Visualize a beautiful scene before you, a landscape of possibilities stretching out in front of you. As you breathe deeply, feel a sense of calmness washing over you, like a gentle breeze on a clear day. Reflect on these affirmations. Life is unfolding perfectly for me. All the right opportunities are flowing into my life effortlessly. I attract positivity and goodness into every aspect of my existence. Feel the warmth of these words permeating your being. Filling you with a deep sense of peace and trust in the universe. Now bring your awareness to your thoughts. Notice any negative or limiting beliefs that may have surfaced. Acknowledge them without judgment. And gently release them with each breath out. Shift your focus now to what brings you joy. Think about the activities, people, and moments that make your heart sing with happiness. Imagine yourself immersed in these experiences, feeling the joy and fulfillment they bring. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize your ideal life unfolding before you. Picture yourself in a beautiful, peaceful home that nourishes your soul. Envision a career that excites and fulfills you. Where your talents are recognized and appreciated. See yourself surrounded by loving relationships, sharing moments of warmth and connection. With each breath, affirm to yourself, I am deserving of all the good things life has to offer, I choose to focus on what brings me joy and fulfillment. I trust that everything is aligning perfectly for my highest good. Now slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently open your eyes and carry this sense of alignment and positivity with you throughout your day. Remember, life is unfolding perfectly for you. Trust in the journey and continue to focus on what brings you joy. Thank you for joining Creating Your Perfect Life meditation today.